Hello friends, today's topic 193 stocks in 2019 portfolio of Amit Shah. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. The purpose of the video is financial education of society. You may know that Amit Shah has been Union Minister of Home Affairs since 2019. In 2024 also, he will be contesting elections from Gandhinagar constituency in Gujarat state. So far, he has not yet filed his nomination for election. However, his stock portfolio disclosed while filing nominations in 2019 is very interesting. In his first ever nomination for Lok Sabha elections from Gandhinagar constituency in 2019, Amit Shah declared his total net worth at Rs 30.49 crores in his personal name. Of that, his stock holding of listed companies are Rs 17.56 crores or 57.6% of his total net worth. Out of this, Amit Shah inherited shares worth 10.05 crores in 2013. Most of the remaining assets is in immovable assets such as residential building, commercial building and agricultural land. According to the 2019 affidavit, Amit Shah listed stocks portfolio consisted of 193 stocks. We have only listed down stocks in which value was more than 5 lakhs as on March-April 2019. Now, list of stocks in Amit Shah's portfolio. Approximate value as on April 2019, I am not going to mention because that is going to consume more time. The number of companies are ABB, ACC, Aditya Birla Fashion, Alembic Pharma, Bajaj Auto, Bajaj Electricals, Berger Paints, Bharat Forge, BPCL, Castrol India, Century Textile, Colgate Palmolive, Cummins India, DCM Limited, EIH Associated Hotels, Phenolics Cables, Gale, GlaxoSmithKline, Grasim Industries, Greenwell Norton, Hindalco Industries, HUL, Infosys, ITC, Kansai Nerolac, L&T Finance Holding, L&T, M&M, Maruti Suzuki, Emphasis, MRF, Nesco, Nestle India, NMDC, ONGC, Power Grid Corporation, Procter & Gamble, Reliance Industries, SBI, Tata Chemicals, TCS, Tata Investment Corporation, Tata Steel, Bombay Burma, Ramco Cement, Tata Power, West Coast Paper, Torrent Power, Trent, TV18 Broadcast, Ultratech Cement, Vape Industries, Altas, total 53 companies. Even though the portfolio of 193 stocks is too big, large amounts have been invested in few stocks which are blue chips. If he has held on these stocks till date, the appreciation may be very good and the portfolio value could be more than double. We will get to know whether he has held on to the stocks when he files his nomination for 2024 Lok Sabha elections. At the end of the video, here is a question. What is your opinion about Mr. Amit Shah's portfolio? If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.